All right, so we've got our tiling wall. We've got texture versions of it either baked in from the high res and from just taking maps out of here. The next thing we need to do is decide if a plain wall, in this case, has enough information for us to be happy with what it does with the normals. What I'm talking about is when we make normals, we want to make sure those normals are accentuated by the actual geometry underneath. We can do flat walls, and maybe even with a wall like this it'd be fine, but rather than show you on a new object like a stone or something, we're going to do it with the wall. So I'm going to show you how in the next couple videos how to down res this high res wall, or to get a facsimile of it, so we can use that to enhance the normals that we put on it. I'm going to go into why that makes a big difference in the next video, but for now we're going to go over the way to do it in ZBrush, and then we're going to bring that lower res version of our wall into Max to unwrap it super fast, and then we'll bring it back into Substance. The second method I'm going to show you, we're going to do the same type of wall inside of Max and then unwrap it and then export it out. Those are the two easiest ways to do it. We could do a bunch of other things like decimate this or remesher or dynamesh and get to this long way of doing it, but that's not what we're going to do. We're going to do it the fastest, simplest for this purpose. It's not going to work for every case, and if we get to more organic shapes, we'll talk about using remesher and stuff. But for now, we're going to down res it, and I'm going to have the next two videos to go over how to do that. I'll see you then.